Today I'm going to show you how you can leverage Seio to create content with AI really quickly and cheaply using your OpenAI key and the tool itself. So all you need is a bunch of keywords that you want to rank for. So I've got some already, I've got 3 that I want to create articles for. You take those keywords, you put them into this tool and it will create some content for you that you can then publish to your blog. You can optimize even further to make it more SEO compatible. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to seio.so, you want to create an account, and then you want to log in and it will take you to this page. You click the create articles button at the top here, and then inside of this text box you just put in a comma separated list of what you want to rank for. So in this case I've got a job board that's for developers, specifically for remote developers, and I want to rank for some keywords that I know that these developers are going to be searching, and so I want to create some blog posts for my blog with that in mind. So in this case I'm selecting Svelte versus React, LinkedIn Resume Builder, and Node.js versus Rust. Once I've done that, I paste them in here like you see here, and I have this list. I then click the generate articles button and it will now go off and start to create the content for me behind the scenes. And I can go do what I want and I'll get an email notification once it's completed, or you can just leave the app open if you want and come back and yeah, you'll see. One thing to note is that when you sign up, you have to add your API key for OpenAI. You'll be prompted when you click the generate or create articles button to add your OpenAI key at that point, but failing that, if not, you simply can just go to the settings page, go down to OpenAI, and then you can just add your AI API key in here. Okay, so now I've generated the articles. I've gone away, I've come back, it generated them ages ago, but now it's done that, we can go in, edit the articles further and take a look at them. So it's generated a cover image for us here, which you can see. This article has an SEO score already of 77%, which is quite convenient. There are probably some improvements we can just take a look at in a second and make this article slightly better. So it's only 800 words, this one. So normally you get between 800 to 1,200 word articles on average. This is pretty decent, but we could make some more changes to this. So this is a full text editor. So you can go through here and you can do a bunch of different things. You can edit it like you would with any other content. Now, this one also comes with some like extra AI-based features. So let's say, for example, we want to rewrite this or we want to continue writing. You can do things like that by simply highlighting it, and you have this tool that helps you do that and further extend the content. So you can do things like that, insert stuff below, and then you can make your article longer, etc., etc. I recommend you just play around with it. The other cool thing though is that we have this SEO optimizer, so you can use this to figure out things you can do to make your articles more SEO optimized and have a higher chance of ranking in Google. So the one thing we have left to do here actually is to add some images. We'll do that. That seems like a quick kind of low-hanging fruit thing. So if we do this, it's a Notion style editor, so you can add images in by using any kind of shortcut key. We'll just take the screenshot here because it's a screenshot that I've done or used for another article, which conveniently is another Svelte versus React article, but still you get the idea, and you can see how it will start to tick things off and our scores going up. So that's stuff to play around with. Now, once you're done with this, now you've got your articles, right? So you can either use these articles and copy and paste them directly to your blogs, or you can publish them through this. Now you'll see here, if you click on this little plus icon, it brings open this little tab, and then you can edit the slug, the title, you can add metadata, etc. And you can also see this little preview of the Google search result. And so you can use this to edit how that will look and further just enhance your article. But once you've done that, if you were to click publish draft, this would now publish it to any blogs you might have attached to Seio via an API. So for example, if you're using Ghost, there's an integration we already have where you can add your API key and the URL for your Ghost platform, and it will publish this automatically to Ghosts for you into your blog. To set that up, you just go to project settings. There's this Ghost blog integration. You simply just click this. I'm going to do it now, which you'll obviously see my keys and things. but you would click edit integration, and in here you can just set up your integration with the platform, and then from that point you can publish content directly to it via Seio. So that will make your life a lot easier. So I hope this helps. Please leave feedback and let me know, or